Task number 1, Introduction to Logs, is part from the new room that we start today, Logs Fundamentals, which is part of the Cybersecurity 101 learning path. Attackers are clever. Not all of them. They avoid leaving maximum traces on the victim side to avoid detection. Yet the security team successfully determines how the attack was executed and is even sometimes successful in finding who was behind the attack. Suppose a few policemen are investigating the disappearance of a precious locket in a snowy jungle cabin. They observed that the wooden door of the cabin was brutally damaged and the ceiling collapsed. There were some footprints on the snowy path to the cabin. Lastly, they discovered some CCTV footage from a neighboring residence. By placing together all these traces, the police successfully determined who was behind the attack. Various traces are found in several such cases. Putting all this together takes you closer to the criminal. It seems like these traces play a big role in the investigations. What if something happened within a digital device? Where do we find all these traces to investigate further? There are various places inside the system where the traces of an attack could be fetched. The logs contains most of these traces. Logs are the digital footprints left behind by the activity. The activity could be a normal one or the one with malicious intent. Tracing down the activity and the individual behind the execution of that activity becomes easier through logs. Use cases of logs. The following are some key areas in which the logs play an internal role. Here we see 5 cases in which we use logs or are logs very useful in terms of a cybersecurity perspective. Security events monitoring, incident investigation and forensics, troubleshooting, performance monitoring and auditing and compliance. For security event monitoring, we have logs helped us detect anomalous behavior when real-time monitoring is used. Incident investigation and forensics logs are the traces of every kind of activity. It offers detailed information on what happened during the incident. The security team utilizes the logs to perform root cause analysis of incidents. Troubleshooting, as the logs also record the errors in systems or applications, they can be used to diagnose issues and helpful in fixing them. Performance monitoring logs can also provide valuable insights into the performance of applications. And then for the last part, auditing and compliance. Logs play a major role in auditing and compliance, making it easier with its capability to establish a trail of different kinds of activities. So in other words, basically logs are a very good point to check. Not only for security perspective, but also just to see what was happening, what is happening, how to fix, what to fix, just error messages, successful messages, anything and almost everything is logged inside logs. Learning objectives. After completing this room, you will learn about the following: the different types of logs, how to analyze logs, and then Windows events log, and then web access logs. Answer the questions below. Where can we find the majority of attack traces in a digital system? In the logs.